You bought your GoFest 2026 ticket, you open the app, and it's gone. No ticket in your events tab, no special research, nothing. If this is happening to you right now, first, don't panic, and definitely do not buy another ticket. This is almost always a visual bug on Niantic's end, and your ticket is still there. I'm gonna walk you through every fix, step by step. Fix number 1, force close and restart. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom and swipe Pokemon Go away. On Android, go to Recent Apps and clear it. Then restart the app and check your Events tab. This alone fixes it for about half the players who report this issue. If a restart didn't work, try signing out and back in. Go to Settings, scroll all the way down, tap Sign Out. Then log back in with the same account you used to purchase the ticket. This refreshes your game data from the server and often triggers the ticket to reappear. Next, verify the payment actually went through. On Android, open Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, then Payments and Subscriptions, then Budget and History. Look for the GoFest ticket charge. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap your name at the top, then Media and Purchases, then Purchase History. If the charge is there, your ticket exists, it's just not displaying. If there's no charge, the purchase may have failed and you'll need to buy it again. Here's one a lot of people miss. Check your item bag. Sometimes the ticket doesn't show in the Events tab, but it is in your bag as an event item. Scroll through and look for anything related to GoFest. Niantic has confirmed that in past years, the ticket was stored in the item bag even when the Events tab glitched out. If none of that worked, it's time to contact Niantic directly. In the app, go to Map View, open the main menu, tap Settings, then the Help button in the top right. Tap Contact Us and describe the issue. Include your ticket purchase receipt as a screenshot. Niantic has a dedicated team handling GoFest ticket issues, and they can manually restore your ticket on the back end. Response time is usually 24 to 48 hours, so don't wait until event day to do this. And finally, if this is a widespread issue, Niantic will push a server-side fix. They've done this in 2023, 2024, and 2025. Every year, a batch of tickets disappears right before GoFest and gets restored within a day or two. Check the Niantic Help Twitter account and the Pokemon Go Help Center for official updates. Your ticket is almost certainly safe. Now, whether you have an in-person ticket or the free Global Pass, if you want to experience the in-person spawns without traveling, there's a way. PoGoskill lets you change your GPS location to any GoFest city, Copenhagen, Tokyo, or Chicago. You get the full park spawns, the Mega Mewtwo raids, even the citywide gameplay, all from home. It works on both iPhone and Android, no jailbreak needed, and there's a built-in cooldown timer to keep your account safe. I'll leave the link in the description. First line. If this video helped you get your ticket back, hit subscribe so you don't miss the GoFest event guides coming next week.